haciendo, mira. This is the highway and people just doing like 30, 25. This is fucked up. Y aquí, San Luis, vete para el carajo. Está súper. It's freaking snow hell. So I'm going to work and look at this snow and shit. So yeah, so Interracial Review reporting here for this crazy snowstorm in San Luis 2019. Bye. Again, this is the airport and people are trying to survive here with this snow shitstorm that is going on right now in San Luis, Missouri 2019, and people are doing very slow. Look, my car can barely have any grip. Hey, look at this guy. All right, guys, please subscribe. Thank you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Interracial Reviews. For our traditional news subscriber channel, we got Abner Castro. Thank you so much for subscribing. We got Nick Landis. Thank you so much. Welcome to the familia. We got Q Reviews. Awesome channel too. And Music Free Score. Also, thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to the family.